Guys, in this video I will show you how you can install OneBlock Skyblock map for Minecraft 1.21.8. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up browser. Then you just need to write OneBlock CurseForge and click on the curseforge.com link. Then what you need to do here is to wait for a couple of seconds until the page loads up. Go to a files and then select all game versions and select 1.21.8 or the latest that is available for you. Then what you need to do here is to press on it and then press on download button. Wait for a couple of seconds until you get download to save basically, or to download a file here. And once you got the file, what you need to do here next is to right click on it and then extract all and then save it to your desktop, right? Because later we will need that. Once the file is extracted, you can press on this little name here and then minimize with this window. Then what we need to do here is to open up Minecraft, go to installations here, then look for latest release and then press open installation folder. Then what you need to do here is to look for saves folder. Then you just need to right click on it and create new folder here, and then you can give it a name. So OneBlock Skyblock and then 1.21.8. Just for personal preference, it really doesn't matter what name it is, right? And then what you need to do here is to copy files. Just open the folder that you downloaded and then open up your new folder here and copy all the files here, right? And after that, you just need to launch the game. And after you launch Minecraft, go to single player, and then here it should be a OneBlock Skyblock world, right? And then you can play. If you want to play with your friends, you need to get a hosting and you need to get a server. So you can click the link in the description below and create a server with a 25% off. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.